In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update product pricing on Shopify efficiently. Whether you're a business owner trying to make quick updates or someone learning the ropes of e-commerce, this guide will help you streamline the process with ease and clarity. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. If you're not already familiar with Shopify, it's an e-commerce platform that makes it easy to sell online. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, ensure that you're logged into your account. If you have multiple stores, select the store where you want to update the pricing. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Shopify admin panel. Here you'll find various sections including Home, Orders, Products, and more. Our focus today is on the Products section, so go ahead and click on Products. This section is essentially the heart of your store's inventory, displaying a full list of all the products you currently have available. After you've accessed the Products section, scroll through your list or use the search feature to find the specific product you wish to update. Clicking on the product will open up its details page. This page contains all the information about the product, including its title, description, images, pricing, and more. Now let's focus on the pricing section of the product. This is where the magic happens. You'll see two important fields here, the price and the compare at price. The price field represents the cost to your customers, while the compare at price is typically used to display original pricing before any discounts. Enter your desired amount into the price field. If you're offering a discount or want to show that a product is on sale, use the compare at price field to enter the original price. This is an effective way to highlight discounts and drive sales, showing customers how much they're saving off the original price. Once you've made the necessary updates, don't forget to click the Save button located in the upper right corner of the page. This action ensures that all your changes are recorded and implemented on your store, and just like that, you're done. You've successfully updated the pricing for your product on Shopify. Remember, consistent updates to your product prices can keep your store competitive and engaging for customers. Feel free to repeat these steps to adjust pricing for other products in your inventory as necessary. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful for managing your Shopify store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support team or refer to their comprehensive help center. Thanks for watching and happy selling.